Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the Eureka E20 Plus robot vacuum and mop combo, a cutting-edge cleaning solution that's designed to make your life easier. Meet the Eureka E20 Plus. Featuring 8,000 Pascal suction, Bagless self-emptying station, and anti-hair-tangling brush. This robot vacuum and mop is engineered to deliver ultimate cleaning performance. The E20 Plus boasts a 45-day capacity, eliminating the need for frequent manual emptying. The DuoDetect AI 3D obstacle avoidance system utilizes dual LiDAR sensors for precise navigation, avoiding obstacles even in low-light conditions. This robot vacuum features an auto-lifting mop, automatically raising the mop by 10 millimeters when carpets are detected, preventing wetting and ensuring optimal cleaning. The V-shaped rubber brush roll reduces hair wrap by 14%, making it ideal for homes with pets. The E20 Plus comes with app control, allowing you to schedule cleanings, set boundaries, and monitor the robot's progress. It's perfect for busy households or those who want to maintain a clean home with minimal effort. With its advanced features and powerful suction, the Eureka E20 Plus is a must-have for anyone who wants to experience the future of cleaning. Order now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. The Eureka E20 Plus is available now. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and mopping, and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the Eureka E20 Plus.